All right. I know today's Saturday, but I want to give you guys a quick analysis for what I see where the dollar is going and plan to sell in the dollar. So just a quick analysis on what I expect for the upcoming week. And then also I am going to, whoops, it's the right one. Yeah. So this is US dollar in the daily chart. We know that it hit pretty high, 95.54. It's on TradingView, and you can see that it went right back down, back to 94.52. So it dropped. So it dropped from 95.5 at the highest on the peak, 0.54 here. Man, come on. Yeah, 0.54 down to 94. Well, the lowest would be at the wick, 94.45. Basing on the new weekly candle that's gonna start out. I'm gonna shade this in. It's gonna start at the bottom here. It's gonna try and push up back to 95. That's my prediction. It's gonna try and rally back up to 95. Now we know that since this new weekly candle closed like this going down, we can see that this resistance is not up to this resistance. So it's lower than the previous high. So I'm expecting it to drop and create a new lower low to break the 89 price and back down to break 88. I'm going to show you guys. I'm not showing you guys any indicators. I'm just going to show you strictly based off of candlestick structure and price action. Monthly. This monthly candle hasn't closed yet, but what I'm predicting is for this monthly candle to close exactly at this resistance. And then for the new monthly candle of July to create this right here as a double top, a monthly chart double top, and shoot all the way back down to break the 89 price. Breaks 89. There is no other support here. So we're looking back down to 80, 79, 78. And it's going to get really tricky once it goes down there. Because when I'm just zooming back out, realistically, my next support price would be 80. I do not count this as support because there is no support. This is the last support to break. And that's it. So be very careful where this monthly candle is going to try and close. If it does close above and the new monthly candle starts and it's still pushing up, then it is going to try and target to break 96. And from there is no other resistance here. And it can just clearly just shoot right back to 102. So it can go both ways, but what I'm seeing right now is getting ready for another long-term sell for the next downtrend breaking out for a lower low price based on the weekly, based on the daily, but not so much on the monthly because the monthly is still trying to bully up. So pretty interesting to see where the dollar is headed. Even though trade wars has been positive for the US dollar, but it did take a negative hit on Trump on Friday. And so let me close this out, jump into the JAFX book here. We are going to jump into the economic calendar for the upcoming week. I'm going to highlight I'm just going to do all red news. I do not care about Monday and Tuesday. As you can see, there's really nothing going on Monday and Tuesday for high impact news. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The key thing is probably Wednesday to start out with. Wednesday, Carney is speaking for the Bank of England. We've got the trade balance and the durable good orders here for the U.S. at 7:30. Governor Polo is speaking for the Bank of Canada. And then Wednesday exactly when Sydney opens. Exactly when Sydney opens, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand is going to do their interest rate statement, the rate statement, and interest rate decision. So that's huge. Thursday will be nothing but focusing on U.S. news, especially GDP. Okay? So we'll see if GDP goes higher than 2.2, which is the consensus right here. And the previous is 2.2. So we'll see if it jumps even higher. Remember, if it jumps higher, the dollar is going to ride up even faster. Okay? Even if we plan on selling the dollar. Something to pay attention to for GDP on Thursday, for this upcoming Thursday. And Friday, back to consumer price index for euro. And then the core. I would say the core is more important because it gets released before the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. And then you cannot trade China because China deals with 8 p.m. on a Friday night. Obviously, it's late. The market closed at 4 p.m. Eastern time, so we're not going to be messing around looking at China red news anyways. Wednesday, all on U.S. and then back to New Zealand. Thursday, all on U.S. And then Friday morning would be London sessions for the CPI for euro, and then the core personal consumption price index for the U.S. And that's it. So I'm just highlighting all these key events so that you guys are aware of what's going on. That way we don't get any miscommunication for the upcoming economic calendar. This is something that everybody should be looking at, especially those that want to trade high impact news every single day. So other than that, that's pretty much all I got. And it's like I said, just quick video analysis so that way you guys can get, that way you guys can see what's coming up. And I plan to do this every Saturday instead of Sunday, because Sunday I'm jam-packed with family events. So at least with Saturday, I get a little bit more free time to work on this. Other than that, that's all I got. Any questions? Like I said, we can chat in the group. I'm always in the chat group, so just let me know.